The digital age, how to make money online in 2023. Hello and welcome to this video about how to make money online in 2023. In this digital age, there are many opportunities to earn income from the comfort of your own home. In this video, we'll explore some of the top ways to make money online, from freelance work and e-commerce to blogging and social media. Our goal is to provide you with valuable resources and opportunities, whether you are seeking a primary source of income or just looking to supplement your current earnings. Let's start. Freelance work. One of the easiest ways to make money online is to offer your skills and expertise as a freelancer. There are many websites, such as Upwork and Fiverr, that allow you to find freelance work in a variety of fields, including writing, design, and programming. E-commerce. Another way to make money online is through e-commerce. There are many platforms, such as Etsy and eBay, that allow you to sell physical products or digital goods online. You can also create your own online store using a platform like Shopify. Blogging. If you have a passion for writing and sharing your thoughts and ideas with others, you can make money by starting a blog. There are many ways to monetize a blog, including through advertising, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. Social media. If you have a large following on social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok, you can make money by partnering with brands or creating sponsored content. You can also use social media to promote your own products or services. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can make money by offering online tutoring services. There are many websites, such as tutor.com and Preply, that allow you to connect with students and offer your services. One of the benefits of making money online is that it allows you to work from anywhere with an internet connection. This can be especially useful if you are looking for flexibility or if you have mobility issues. Making money online often requires patience and persistence. It may take time to build up a customer base or establish yourself as an authority in your field. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results, and be willing to put in the work and effort in order to achieve your financial goals. In conclusion, there are many ways to make money online in 2023. Whether you're looking to offer your skills as a freelancer, sell products or services online, there are many opportunities to earn income in the digital age. We hope this video has provided some inspiration for finding ways to make money online. Thank you for watching.